Alright, Master Designers, tonight we're going to draw Hairum Scarum from Yokai Watch 3. Another classic yokai who often hides under the bed, but he's actually kind of friendly, even though he's a giant, hairy guy, but as soft as a teddy bear. Let's get started.
You wanna fly like owlet, zooming through the sky. You wanna fly like owlet.
Flap your wings and fly!
Flap, flap, flap your wings, hands up in the air. Flap, flap, flap your wings, you can do it anywhere. Flap your wings up high, higher than the roof. Be just like the PJ Masks to make your move. Alright, who's next? Gecko! Go, Gecko! Go, Gecko! Go, 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 Gecko! Here we go! You want to be strong like Gecko? Power is the key. If you want to be strong like Gecko, then flex along with me. Flex, flex with all your might. Super Gecko muscles left and right. Flex, flex with all your might. It'll make you feel like dynamite. Show your Gecko muscles, there's no way you can lose. Be just like the PJ Masks to make your move. Move just like a hero and get in the groove. Be just like the PJ Masks to make your move. Make your move.
Alexa, play Shout Hooray.
Here's Shout Hooray by PJ Masks on Amazon Music.
Mission completed, come on everyone. Villains defeated and they're on the run. We put an end to all their plans and schemes. No one can beat this unstoppable team. We saved the day and the PJ Masks won. It's time to celebrate and have some fun. Everybody, let's all shout hooray. We went into the night and we saved the day. It's a celebration. Come on. Everybody jump up and shout hooray. When we work together, we always win. We got each other through thick and thin. When the day's over and the team's all here, let the celebration start and give a cheer. We saved the day and the PJ Masks won. It's time to celebrate and have some fun. Everybody, let's all shout hooray. We went into the night and we saved the day. It's a celebration. Come on. Everybody jump up and shout hooray. Everybody jump, jump and shout hooray.
Oh, man. There we go. Now we draw the rest of his hair. Sweet guy. I can't do this. I can't do this. It's still icy out here. I thought it would stop being icy hours ago. I thought once it was spring, the icy anger would go away. There we go. And that's how you draw Hairum Scarum. This classic yokai has been drawn at last. What a sweet guy. Man, it's icy out here. You want to find out more on how to draw more yokai like this? Let me know which one is your favorites. And check out the Yokai Watch playlist in the comments below. And place a comment on what character you want me to draw next. That's all the time for now. Be sure to like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Stay good, sword. See you later. Good night.